hosts Nick Clooney and Bob Dorian give you an inside view of the classic Hollywood story you won't get anywhere else. Plus, you get Movie Palace Memories, a feature which brings you inside Hollywood's grand old movie houses. And with AMC Magazine, you'll never search for a classic movie again. Each issue gives you a full month's program listings with detailed descriptions of every feature presentation. Step into the world of AMC Magazine. To order and save 50% off the cover price, call toll-free 1-888-AMC-4700 or send a check or money order to the address on your screen.
Next on AMC, Lana Turner stars with John Gavin and Sandra Dee in a heart-wrenching drama directed by Douglas Sirk, Imitation of Life. Next on AMC.
It's not unusual to produce a movie with a budget of $1.5 million, I mean, even in the old days, but it is unusual when the star's wardrobe and accessories wind up to be more than the entire budget for the movie. The movie is Imitation of Life in this case, and Lana Turner is the star who plays a glamorous movie star. 34 individual outfits were designed at a cost of $78,000. That's about, we worked it out before, $2,300 per outfit. Now, this was, of course, the late 1950s. Today, those same outfits would probably run each closer to $23,000. Anyway, all told, Lana Turner's costumes and jewelry amounted to the most expensive single wardrobe ever at that time. The jewelry, $250,000 in emeralds and diamonds, which didn't include 15 carats in one piece alone that was valued at $127,000. Wardrobe expenses run very high in movies, everybody knows that. But this was making history all over Universal. Here's Lana Turner and that marvelous, fabulous wardrobe in Imitation of Life.